Will AI replace project manager in near future? Hello, welcome to this channel dedicated to serve project managers and project management aspirants. Thanks for joining in. Today, I'll be discussing the AI theme. If you look at the project manager responsibility, they are to supervise and enforce controls and make decisions. What if we get to a point where AI starts doing the job of a project manager and it's smart enough to carry out all the jobs of project manager? So, if you are excited to know more, let's jump into the presentation. Artificial intelligence has been making waves in various industries, and the project management sector is no exception. With AI's ability to automate tasks, process large amounts of data, and provide insights, many are wondering if it will replace project managers in the near future. In this video, we'll explore this topic and discuss whether AI will replace project managers. Project managers are responsible for planning, executing, and closing projects. They are the glue that holds a project together and ensures it runs smoothly. But with AI's capabilities, some tasks that project manager typically performs could be automated. Tasks AI can perform better than project manager. Number one, AI can automate repetitive and mundane tasks such as scheduling and resource allocation. It can also help with risk assessment and forecasting by analyzing data from previous projects. Number two, AI can assist project managers in making better decisions. It can provide insights into team performance, project progress, and even identify potential problems before they arise. Unique skill set of a project manager due to which AI can't replace them. Project managers bring a unique set of skills to the table, such as leadership, communication, and problem solving. They are able to motivate and inspire team members and ensure everyone is working towards the same goal. Project managers can adapt to changes quickly and make decisions based on their experience and intuition. Why AI can't replace human element? While AI can automate some aspects of project management, it cannot replace the human element. It cannot provide the same level of empathy, creativity, and critical thinking that project managers bring to the table. AI will not replace project manager in the near future. Instead, it will be a valuable tool that project managers can use to automate tasks, process data, and provide insights. Project managers will continue to be essential to the success of projects, bringing their unique skills and ability to the table. In the end, please like and subscribe to the channel if you find this content valuable and press the bell icon to start getting the future updates. Thank you. This is your trainer Muhammad saud.arif signing off. Take care. Bye.